Wireless. Our wireless business constitutes mobile and fixed wireless operations. We had 73 million customers on our wireless network, which has further increased to 85 million at present. We added 27 million subscribers during the financial year 2009, an increase of over 51%. We are amongst the top 2 wireless operators in this country. Reliance Infratel. Last year, we expanded our portfolio of multi-tenancy towers to 48,000. We have now added 35,000 towers over the past 2 years, creating the largest supply base of plug-and-play telecom infrastructure. We expect the demand for passive telecom infrastructure to more than double in the next couple of years and believe that we are best positioned to address this opportunity. We offer a unique market proposition to our customers. In addition to multi-tenancy towers, we also provide integrated solutions including radio and network electronics, backhaul, long-distance network. This creates an additional and very profitable revenue opportunity for us. In July this year, we signed a long-term infrastructure sharing agreement with Etisalat DB valued at over rupees 10,000 crores for a minimum period of 10 years. This is by far the largest such infrastructure sharing contract signed in India by scope, size and value, further demonstrating the unique and unmatched advantages of our infrastructure. Last month, we have concluded agreements with another new operator, Estel, to provide its telecom infrastructure in 6 operating circles. In addition, we have signed up a number of other leading telecom players, including Aircel, Tata Teleservices, and MTS on our passive infrastructure. Reliance Globalcom. Reliance Globalcom offers a diverse portfolio of global communication services, including global voice, managed networks, carrier Ethernet, and fiber capacity. During the last fiscal, our ILD and NLD operations delivered considerable expansion. We grew our share in the market as the number of minutes flow through our network touched 4,000 crore minutes as compared to 3,000 crore minutes in the preceding year. Our enterprise business. We offer the most comprehensive range of office telephone solutions, data networking, internet and IT infrastructure services to premier global and Indian companies addressing their telecom, connectivity and automation requirements. We serve 900 of the top 1,000 companies in India and remain the premium integrated solutions provider for top enterprises. Home. Our direct-to-home service targets one of the largest and fastest growing markets for pay television services in the world. India's TV viewership is already the second largest in the world at 130 million households. This market continues to grow rapidly as TV penetration expands from the current 65%. Reliance Big TV was launched nationwide last year with the latest state-of-the-art MPEG-4 technology. Our modern technologically advanced network brings DVD quality pictures to viewers with a bouquet of over 200 channels, which can be further expanded to over 400 channels in the future. This will further strengthen our position as the premium operator in this space. Conclusion. In India's spectacular telecom growth story has been a key driver of our economic success in recent years. I am proud to say that Reliance Communication has been the torchbearer of this great transition. As our telecom network reaches the previously unconnected hinterland, giving millions upon millions of Indians a view of the world beyond, we sense a new mood of hope, aspiration and empowerment across the country. Playing a lead role in this unfolding story of growth and fulfillment has been the greatest reward of the last few years. Less than 4 years ago, we acquired our 10 millionth customer. Hopefully, by the end of this year, we will be acquiring our 100 million customer, making us a part of an exclusive club of a handful of top global telecom operators. Over the last 2 years, we brought over 1 billion people under our network coverage. Today, we believe we are making a difference to their lives. It took our network 5 years to reach 10,000 towns. Today, we are helping other telecom operators reach the remotest corner of India. 4 years ago, we took our first tentative steps outside the country. Today, our global networks are connecting regions and countries that contribute to 90% of the world's GDP. A few years ago, our focus was confined to phone calls made by retail customers. Today, we are enabling 2,100 leading global enterprises to do business across the world. Over the last 2 years, we made massive capital expenditure of over rupees 40,000 crores to support our ambitious growth plans. Today, with the peak of our capex cycle behind us, we are getting ready to reap the full benefits of these investments in the form of strong revenues, strong cash flows, and outstanding customer experience. The last 2 years have represented a transformational phase in the life of our very young company. Today, as newer operators jostle to get a share of the Indian mobile pie, we are leading India's march into the era of convergence, bringing digital connectivity on a wide variety of formats, be it music, video, TV, movies, radio, gaming, advertising, internet, e-commerce, or just the plain, simple phone call. We believe that our future, as that of 1 billion plus people of India, would be shaped by integration and convergence. As India's largest fully integrated and converged telecom entity, Reliance Communications will make the most of this extraordinary transition. Our commitment as a member of the Reliance Anil Dhirubhai Ambani Group, Reliance Communication draws inspiration from the life and legacy of our legendary founder and my father, the late Shri Dhirubhai Ambani. We remain committed to upholding his vision of building an enterprise committed to the highest standards of quality, strong operational performance, substantial value creation, and a deep entrepreneurial spirit. Before I end, let me acknowledge the contribution of our various partners in success. My heartfelt appreciation to all my colleagues for their professionalism, dedication, and commitment. My sincere thanks to the Board of Directors for their continued support, encouragement, and guidance. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your time, patience, and attention.